Well, good morning. This is Buck, Sawdust Solutions. Welcome to my shop this morning. This is Mornings in the Shop. For the ones who are just tuning in, has not seen this before, what I did was to get used to talking in front of the camera. I did a 30-day talking head in front of the camera. Talk 5 to 10 minutes each day on a subject, just as practice. And actually, it did good, because usually when picture taking come like that, I'm the one in the back trying to get behind somebody, if you know what I mean. But it has helped me get comfortable. And when the 30 days was over, of course, there was 2 sets of that, and we won't get into that right now. But anyhow, when it was over, I got to calling it Mornings in the Shop. I come down here every morning, talk for a little bit, kind of do a warm-up, so to speak. And it rocked along there, and I usually show it to my wife and see how it went, and kind of critique it and learn from it, and this, that, and other. That's like anything else. You practice and, what you hope to get better at it, So, I did one, and my wife looked at it, and she said, "You need to air that one." And I did. It was the first one of this series, Mornings in the Shop. And the thing about it is, the response I got, it's just over the weekend. This was on Friday I did this. And, or I aired it. But the thing about it is, I got such a response, we decided just I'll do a 5-day thing. And that's what I've done. Of course, we focused on something or another every day. And very good comments. I am. Sounds like I might be on the right track. I'm really getting some good response. So this is the 5th day, which I'm thinking from this point forward, I will probably do this once a week and probably be on Friday. Just kind of a wrap up or recap, just whatever it winds up being. But right now, it's looking like that's what it's going to be. I'm going to try to air a project, do everything I can to get one aired on Monday mornings. This morning, this is Friday, and Monday morning, I've got a Henham competition tops with a string. I made one of those. It's scheduled to air 7 a.m. Monday morning. So if y'all would check that out. I think it turned out pretty good. I got to come up with some tops that not bad, if I do say so myself, but y'all can let me know when you see it. So that's where we're at. Today is wrap up, recap. Like I say, it was real good response, and I'm just so tickled. Sound like I'm helping people, and that's why I'm doing it. Never thought I'd have the subscribers I've got. It's blowing me away. I'm telling you, I am right at 400. Oh gosh, I never would have thought it. So it looked like it's going our way. The thing about it is, I want to thank everybody that is commented, watched, or I am just tickled to death. I kind of enjoy making this video, just talking to you and everything. And with the comments I'm getting, it just warms my heart, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to do at least one a week. And if something comes up, I may throw one in, depending on, we'll just kind of roll with the punches, so to speak, if you know what I mean. But I do appreciate this. Since I retired, I've been doing this right here with the YouTube, and I'm proud of it. It's been a lot of fun. Sure has. Learning to tell a story with the camera and stuff like that it's been challenging. Because in woodworking, what would happen a lot of times, on my little clapperboard, I got takes. Sometimes you don't get a take two because what you was working on is now cut or whatever, and it's finished. So it's difficult to go back and do a take two sometimes, and the camera sometimes has a mind of its own to do what it wants to. It just decides to take a break. That's happened a few times, and I just have to figure out, learn as I go and figure those situations out, and I think I've gotten better at it. But just in case the ones that have not, this is their first time viewing in, I just kind of want to look at what's coming down the pike. So I'm going to turn you around here and we'll look. So we're going to have some seniors that's going to graduate, and I normally make a box. I usually put their name right here. We'll make a box, kind of a memory box, kind of. They seem to enjoy it, and that's called a prairie box. So I'm going to be making a couple of those, and I'm waiting on some stuff. It seems like I'm always waiting on stuff. But this is a dry sink. We're going to probably look at it and make the drawers and doors and kind of fix it. It's just so much of this stuff's not missing. It's usually pieces that come up above it and rack where you can hang your towels and so forth and so on. But what's here seemed to be good shape, except what's inside. So, yeah, that's coming. And also, I'm going to make a workbench. Hand tool workbench. I decided to make it out of MDF where the top won't move around on me and I can get it pretty quick. But every time I get ready to go get the material, it's like today, it goes to raining. So it'll happen. It will happen, so I just have to hang in there with it. Again, I appreciate y'all hanging in here with me. And you don't know how I appreciate it. It's being fun. It's a lot of fun. And it makes it worthwhile when I get them comments the way y'all have done. It really lifts me up. And again, I hope everybody enjoys it as much as I do, because this is fun. And look for my spinning tops Monday. It should be fired up in there by 7 a.m. if everything, Google and everything goes right, YouTube and everything. But that's what we're looking at. So y'all be safe and have a wonderful weekend. And I will see you on the next one.